Hello and welcome to Northeast Media Hub, the fastest growing digital media platform. I am Adalbert Khar with the latest Hub news. Be informed, be alert. The state recorded 159 COVID cases on Tuesday. While 2 deaths were reported, there were 27 recoveries. East Khasi Hills recorded 475 cases, followed by West Garo Hills 58, Ribhoi 21, West Jaintia Hills 10, West Khasi Hills, East Jaintia Hills and Southwest Khasi Hills 4 each, and North Garo Hills and East Garo Hills 1 each. There were no cases in South Garo Hills and Southwest Garo Hills. The employees of 108 service under the banner of Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union or MEMRIWU on Tuesday called upon Health Minister James K. Sangma to voice their demands of increasing the salary of the EMRI workers and immediately terminate the contract with GVK EMRI and the government of Meghalaya to take over the emergency services. Speaking to reporters in Shillong, MEMRIWU President Microlinas Imle said that the meeting with the Health Minister was positive as the Minister has assured the union workers that the government and the department is working on their demands and informed that the government has issued an additional fund to the GVK EMRI in increasing the salary of the workers as till date the workers have been receiving a minimal wage. Moving on, the Assam police on Tuesday seized 1.5 kg of heroin worth rupees 10 crore in the international market and arrested one person in Karbi Anglong district. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said the drug was being ferried in a truck. The seized heroin has been valued at rupees 10 crore, a senior police officer said. Acting on a tip-off, a checkpoint was set up in front of Laharijan Police Post and a joint team of the Assam Police and Central Reserve Police Force personnel was deputed there, he said. Arunachal Pradesh on Tuesday recorded 134 new COVID-19 cases, the highest single-day spike in January so far, pushing the tally to 55,692, a health department official said. Of the fresh cases, 63 were registered in the capital complex region, 23 in Papumpare district, 11 in Namsai and 9 each in West Kameng and Lohit. 7 army personnel are among the new patients. State Surveillance Officer Dr. Lopsang Jampa said the northeastern state has been witnessing a spurt in coronavirus infections since January 4 with 340 new cases reported so far. In a massive jolt to the BJP and Yogi Adityanath just before the Uttar Pradesh election, a minister and 3 MLAs quit and joined the party's main challenger, Akhilesh Yadav. Swami Prasad Maurya, a top minister and backward caste leader in the Yogi Adityanath government, posted his resignation letter on Twitter. Soon after he went public, 3 more MLAs, Roshanlal Verma, Brijesh Prajapati and Bhagwati Sagar announced their resignations. Reports suggest Mr. Maurya may take a few more ministers and MLAs with him. Singing legend Lata Mangeshkar has been admitted to a hospital here after she tested positive for COVID, her niece said on Tuesday. The 92-year-old singer is in the ICU ward at the Breach Candy Hospital and her symptoms are mild. Her niece, Rachana, said that she will be fine, but it is going to take a while because of her age. And also, COVID-19 takes 7 days, she added. Thank you for listening to her podcast. For latest news and updates, follow us on www.hubnetwork.in. Download Hub News app in your mobile from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. For promotion and publicity, write to us at info@hubnetwork.in. Thank you. Kublesh Shibon, Mithela.